Hey guys. Hope you all are doing great. Today, I have got something special for you. I will introduce you all with some of the best ReactJS tutorials available on YouTube. We all know well how expensive are these courses on different platforms. So I have gone through a lot of stuff, and selected some of the best free YouTube tutorials on ReactJS, after a good research. Are you excited? Because we are. Before starting the video, if you think our content is valuable, do subscribe to our channel. And also press the bell icon, so that you get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. And please don't forget to comment down your opinions. This all will really motivate us to give our best. I will give all the links to these tutorials in the description box. To check them out after watching this video. And remember, this is not a sponsored video. It's all our personal suggestion and opinion. Now let's start quickly. Best ReactJS tutorials available on YouTube. Codevolution. If you want to learn ReactJS from the beginning, then you can follow this tutorial. In this playlist, there are 100 plus videos. Topics like React hooks, React render, React TypeScript and many more are covered in this playlist. Thapa Technical. This channel is all about technical tips and tricks, and designs and programming videos in the Hindi language. In this playlist, there are 50 plus videos. Topics like React hooks, React JSX and many more are covered in this playlist. CodeWithHarry. CodeWithHarry attempts to teach basics and those coding techniques to people in short time which take ages to learn. He provides a quick and to the point demo along with resources of everything he teaches. Source code and other resources are hosted on his website CodeWithHarry.com. He provides source code, if any, in the description of every video. Thanks for watching. That's all for now. Let's catch up in the next video. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and do share. And also, see the links given for keep you up to date.